In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. All you need to do is go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen twice. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine turned blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's black. If you wanna, you can also go into settings, scroll to click on location section available here, and then use this switcher next to use location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!